Your Galaxy Z Flip 5's notification sound may cease to function due to a variety of factors. These could include software glitches, unintentional changes in sound settings, or the activation of the Do Not Disturb mode. If you're experiencing this issue, the first step is to verify the notification volume. Ensuring that the notification volume isn't set too low or muted can help you determine why you're not hearing notifications. To do this, press the volume up button on the side of your device, then tap on the More Settings icon that appears. Adjust the notification volume slider to your desired level. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you should restart your phone. A restart can help eliminate any temporary software glitches that might be causing the notification sound to malfunction. To do this, press and hold the volume down and power buttons. When the power menu appears, tap Restart and then confirm your decision to reboot your phone. After the reboot, check if the problem has been resolved. If not, the next step is to reset the app preferences on your device. This can help address issues caused by changes in settings, permissions, or data restrictions that might be affecting your app's functionality. To do this, open Settings. Scroll all the way down. Tap Apps. And then tap the More Options icon at the top right corner. Select Reset App Preferences and tap Reset to confirm. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you should reset all settings. This can help address issues caused by changes in system settings that might be affecting your device's functionality. To do this, launch Settings again. Scroll all the way down. Find and tap General Management. And select Reset. Tap Reset all settings and tap Reset settings to confirm. In most cases, these steps should be enough to fix a problem like this. We hope this guide can help you. Thank you for watching.